Hello, welcome back to NextEdge Solutions AI Tools Automation and Creativity course, Module 5. In this module, I will be taking you through AI for business and marketing. Once again, my name is Israel Ikumapai. Let's run through the learning objectives. By the end of Module 5, students will understand how AI can be applied in digital marketing and branding, and also use AI to generate ad copy, social media content, and marketing campaigns. 3. Build a simple AI powered chatbot for customer engagement. 4. Explore automation tools like Zapier, Make, and HubSpot. 5. Deliver a mini business campaign using AI tools. So these are what you would learn in this module 5. Stay tuned. Lesson 5.1, social media marketing with AI. 1. Let's look at role of AI in social media marketing. In social media marketing, AI can be used for content creation, such as captions, posts, visuals. And secondly, it can also be used for hashtag research and trend prediction. And 3, can also be used for scheduling and analytics. Now let's take a look at the popular tools that are being used to achieve this objective, these goals. One is for ad copy and captions. We can use ChatGPT or Jasper AI, amongst other AI tools that we have out there, because there are thousands of AI tools. And also for social media graphics, you can make use of Canva AI, amongst other tools. And for marketing content generation, you can make use of Copy AI or Write Sonic. So these are the tools that you can make use of for your social media. Going forward, example prompts. Now let's check out these prompts that we can use. 1. Write 5 Instagram captions for a photography studio targeting young couples. And another prompt that we can use is generate a Facebook ad copy for a new online fashion store offering 20% discounts. Another one is suggest trending hashtags for an AI training program in Nigeria. So these are samples of prompts that you can make use of. You can tweak it, edit it, and to suit your own goal. Now let's go into an activity. Let's try something out for us to see how far we have gained, or how far we have understood this topic. Now, activity 1. Students create one full week's content plan for Instagram. That is, you create a caption and also graphics with AI. So you can do that with those tools that we previously mentioned. Now, lesson 5.2, customer engagement with AI. What do we mean by that? How you can engage your customers without being online or without much stress. So we can use AI to create chatbots, emails, WhatsApp AI. Those are the things, and those are the tools, things we can use. Now, 1. Why chatbots and AI engagement? Why do we use chatbots and AI engagements? This is because we want to have an online presence for 24/7, for our customers, to have a customer support for 24/7. That is, no stopping 24 hours in a week. We are being able to attend to our customers This is so very much okay. You don't have to care about you going online every time to attend to customers, employing so many staff to be able to attend to your customers. With this automation, you can reach out to your customers anytime, 24/7. And also, you can also use AI to automate FAQ, frequently asked questions, and also for booking and lead capture. And as well, this would also improve our customer experience. So it's a very good one to set up AI for all this as well. So here are the tools to explore, the tools that we can use to achieve this. We have Tidio, we have many chats, and we also have Bootpress. These are used for chatbot building. You can use it to build chatbots. And also we have HubSpot AI. HubSpot AI is used for CRM and email automation. So this is what we use for CRM and email automation. And we have you can a combination of WhatsApp, Zapier, or 360 dialogue. This is used to this is used for customer interaction. If you want to interact with your customers without being online, these are the tools that you can make use of. Now let's go into the example for the use cases. For instance, a fashion store chatbot that recommends outfits. This is this is a way of reaching out to your customers even without being online at that moment. And this would do the job of having to employ so many staff to work for you. So, and secondly, an event booth that answers when, where, and how. This is also a use case for AI automation. And we also have email automation that welcomes new subscribers. Email automation that welcome new subscribers. You don't have to be online. Once your customer or you have a potential client that sends an email to you or reach out to you on your social media, automatically your email, your AI would respond to your customers, to your clients on your behalf. So you don't have to be online every time. You don't have to employ so many staff to achieve this. So let's take a look at activity 2. Student design a basic chatbot flow, e.g., welcome, then to ask name, then suggest options, then end. So this is a workflow. This is a workflow for chatbot. So let's try that out. And here we have lesson 5.3. The 5.3 is talking about funnels and automation. Funnels and automation. Here are the tools that will make use of Zapier, Make, HubSpot. Now, what is a funnel? A funnel is a customer journey from awareness to interest to purchase to loyalty. This is the journey of a customer when we automate our business. So now let's take a look at the role of AI in funnels. The role of AI in funnels. Does what do AI do in funnel? AI generates landing pages, advert copy, and follow-up emails. These are what AI will do for you without human intervention. And also, automation connects apps. For instance, with automation, you can connect all your apps to run on your behalf, e.g., Facebook ad to Google Sheets to WhatsApp. So you can connect them together and it will do your work perfectly for you. So let's check out the popular tools that are being used. We have Zapier, Make, These are integromats. So, and they are used for automate workflow. They are used to automate workflow, just as we have mentioned above. And also we have HubSpot and MailChimp's AI. So these are used to manage email campaigns. And we also have ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels and AI copywriting. These are used to build automated funnels. So, and let's take a look at example workflow. Example workflow. How the flow is done. One, Facebook ad. From Facebook ad to lead capture in Google Sheets, and then to automatic WhatsApp message via Zapier. So this is the flow of which your business is being done. For instance, let's say you post you do or you created a Facebook ad. Your Facebook advert, you have a button there. Once any potential client clicks on it, it would automatically capture their information, their details on Google Sheets, to capture it on Google Sheets. And from Google Sheets, it would automatically um, send a message. It will automatically try to take them to WhatsApp to drop a message for you, in which it would still also respond to their message. So this is done via Zapier. Zapier is the intermediary between WhatsApp and your other apps like Facebook and the likes. So this is how the workflow is being done. So now let's take a look at activity 3. Instructor demonstrates a simple Zapier workflow while students outline their own mini funnel for a business idea. So we'll be doing this now, the practical aspects. Let's take a look at the practical aspects. This is the end of module 5. Thank you.